Good morning. Behind me is my 2019 Polaris XP1000 EPS Northstar Edition. This video is to the CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Polaris. We love this machine. We have a few issues that we'd like to see engineers change, and I'll tell you what those are. The first issue is the air conditioning ducts that are up by the air conditioner, by the windshield. These ducts right here should flow this way so that we don't have condensation on the window when we're running the machine in certain weather conditions. The other issues, the directions say that you're not supposed to put a pressure washer directly through the radiator. That will bend over the fins. Well, yep, we understand that. And the problem is that there's two radiators in this machine. One is the regular radiator, and one is the air conditioning radiator. And there's no way that you can take a hose and get up underneath there to flush out this second radiator. So we cut a slot here, and there is a cover that goes over this slot. And what we did is we made a special tool out of a piece of 1/2-inch tubing, which I'll show you in a second here. We put a fire type hose valve on it, and we drilled in the end 1/16 holes after we capped off the end. And as you can see, I can control the water flow, and what that does is that allows me to back flush the radiator for mud and so on. Now, we really like this machine. We'd buy it again even without those changes, but we think that the engineers, if they agree with us, and I don't know if other people are having the same questions or issues, but if this pops out and can be made right here to rotate back and forth, that would solve that problem. The other thing is if Polaris made a removable top right here where we could get in there, and if Polaris would like to take our idea of our hose connection, which would be low pressure, not high pressure, we'll be more than interested in talking to you about that. We can show you how we made it, what parts we used, and so on. But we love this machine, and the heating and the air conditioning were primary choices to buy it, as well as full cab. My wife doesn't like to get dirty, muddy, or any of that. But this machine is what got her going out on the trail. And she loves being out there. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.